Hello and welcome to Beautiful Makeup's Halloween looks. Today we're doing the broken doll or cracked doll, might better call it. Here I'm just showing you guys a broken doll package which I bought from the cheap shop, which you can use with your foundation. Only cost me like $2. And I'm using the BYS contour palette just to give it a bit of highlight and contouring around the face, and also did use Makeup Revolution's white powder just to place around the center of the face to give it a bit more highlighting. Gone in with Berries 2 by BYS Cosmetics, and I'm placing the cherry tones around her eyes. I want to do this doll to make her look beautiful but also creepy at the same time. And just placing that underneath, making her lower lash line a bit more reddish and pinky, going in with the shimmery tones in the palette, and just placing that in the center of the eyelid, and then using this sponge applicator to add a little bit of highlighting in the inner teardrop, going in with black to give it a bit more hollow to the eye, and then we're gonna blend that out to make it look a little bit creepier, going underneath the eye with a bit of black, and then using the white jumbo pencil by NYX Cosmetics to give her that creepy doll look. Also going in with the tight line, which is a little bit uncomfortable, but if you guys can do it, you can do it. Going in with also a liquid eyeliner, creating some black underneath with fake eyelashes and also on top of the eyelid. Gone back in with the white pencil, and we're placing that on top. The lashes. Now with the lashes, I suggest you buy glue because the lashes on this packet did not glue down. You're wondering what are those eyelashes? I actually cut off some lashes from the top and just stick them at the bottom. Here I'm just showing you how to do a little bit of crack. I try to do a little bit similarity to the package. As you can see, I'm holding it and just using the black pencil that came with it. And then went in with the liquid liner, which gave it a little bit more darkness, and it actually looks kind of cool. Now, then after this, I did a little bit on the other side. I did the top as well, but I feel like these two you can see better. Gone in with Glitter Girls Liquid Lipsticks. They are long lasting, by the way, so you guys have to check them out. They are amazing. Gone in with this red cherry tone, and then the other one which was flamenco, and went on top just in the center. Going back in with the pencils, creating the dolly mouth. Going in with BYS's blush, I'm placing that on the cheeks as we need them to make rosy, and we need also highlighter. And plus, after this, we're gonna add some gloss, and then we're done. And this is it. This is your creepy doll crack doll. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to check out the other tutorials, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.